Now we would like to request all the 5th year A students to come up here for a picture taking. Come on guys. Mga ate, mga kuya. With, of course, with the speakers. Followed by the 5th year B students. Come on. Okay, now the 5th year B students. Thank you so much, 5th year A architecture students. After the 5th year architecture B students, the 4th year B architecture students. Of course, the students coming from Shiga, the University of Shiga Prefecture and Civil University. Fourth year B students. Thank you so much, mga ate, mga kuya. Next is the 4th year Section B students. Just last one question, sir. Or just last one section, sir. We'll just combine the 4th year A and 4th year B students, so we can utilize the time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to our amazing speakers. A round of applause, please. Coming all the way from Japan, Spain, Cebu, Zamboanga. Thank you so much. And thank you so much to the Eastern Visayas State University Architecture students. A round of applause, please, sa ating mga sarili. Ayan, thank you for participating for this Japanese Philippine Conference for Urban Redevelopment of the Province. This has been Renzo Portela saying goodbye and have a nice evening. Announcement for our beloved and amazing speakers. Please, your dinner will be at the Leyte Park Hotel, right near the entrance of the Leyte Park complex.